I'm just recording a little demo for my Immich add-on. Effectively, the idea of this add-on is that you can do what Google Photos does, and you can share your lovely photos into an album between people with different Immich servers. Because at the moment, each Immich server is kind of like an island. You know, you can share it with users on it, but you can't share and add a nice album between servers. This plugin, add-on, whatever you want to call it, is basically like a sidecar, like Docker container that runs, creates a handshake between your servers and keeps your albums shared and in sync. The UI is almost purely native, so there's no real hacky bits onto the UI. The app's just the standard app. The web view is just the standard web view. Everything looks normal. First, I want to prove to you these are in fact two separate servers. So as you can see, this is 8302 and this is 8301. Yeah, Demo Nan and Demo Grandpa, who both have their own servers. Right, let me quickly show you how this works. So if you go to the album, you can add a new album, and let's call this the ultimate demo, because this is the ultimate demo. If this goes wrong, I'm not doing it again. I'm joking, it should go fine. Right, we're going to create this lovely album here. Okay, and we want to create a shared link. You want to allow public users to upload, because I want my other device here to upload some photos and share them into the album. So we create the link, and that's the first step. Easy as that. The album's created, and this is already, because both of these servers have the add-on installed, already compatible and ready to go. No, we don't want privacy features. We want to just get on and go, don't we? Here we go. Oh, for God's sake. Paste them in, and once we paste them in, as you shall see, right, so this is the shared album that pops up, and the main difference is when you load up the server, it will show this. So join shared album with your server, and what you do is you just type in your own server IP or whatever it is you use. Personally, I would have your Immich server hosted properly with a domain name. I currently just use a free duck DNS one for mine, and then use OAuth to log in. Pretty safe, pretty good. But anyway, click join. So this is already there because I've used it before. It will remember it, but you just type yours in, click join, click accept and join. And once it's done the syncing part, you can see joining as Grandpa Joe, that's the user on here, joined the ultimate demo album, and you open an Immich app, and the app will open. I don't know what's happened there. Open an Immich. Okay, you know, live demos, these things happen. Right, and as you can see, that is indeed my album with my photos. So let me just go back here. Let's add some photos to this album. This one's nice, that girl and camera, a bit of a sunset. Let's add some sunsets. So now you can see we've got more here. Let's just refresh this. Sometimes it takes a while for the servers to actually talk, but you know, it will eventually get there. Just got to have a bit of patience, which unfortunately I do not have. But as you can see, here we are. The shared album now has all the photos from both devices here. And let's just send a little message saying I like them. Let's just say lovely pics. I don't know, Nan. There you are, lovely pics, Nan. And if it works, here we go. It comes up pretty quickly. Here, let's just put thanks. You know, why not? Thanks. Thanks. And as you can see, it appears here. And all of this, like I say, is across servers. This will work with videos. This will work with multiple different servers. And as you can see, the owner is who's this? Nan. Nan owns them, and Grandpa doesn't own them. So one thing Grandpa can do is Grandpa can come here and Grandpa can leave the album. And when he leaves the album, it will clear up anything on his server. One thing to note, when you join a shared album, you won't automatically clutter your server with all these files and photos and images in the shared album. Each server is responsible for its own assets. So this is just a collective album. You can go in and you can download an asset from another server in full quality. That is one thing you can do, although I can't quite remember how to do it on the spot now, but you definitely can do that. So yeah, hopefully that was a good demo, and just one more thing to show you, they are 100% on different servers. So yeah, that's the end of my little demo. Thank you very much for watching.